Hi, I'm Emily and I'm an Inspiring Skills Ambassador. I'm also an ex-student of College Cambria where I study hospitality management. I am also currently working at Pallet Hall Hotel. I wanted to become an ambassador because when I was going through competitions and looking into competitions, having a support network around you really helped you with understanding how to control your nerves, what the judges are looking for, especially when you're speaking to someone in your area, and how to do your best and really pull out your strengths and work on your weaknesses. Being able to speak to someone who's already been through it really helps you. So that inspired me to be that person that people can come to. The main thing that I have really learned through the programme so far is how important confidence is and how important it is to have your confidence, especially when you're giving a workshop or public speaking or giving a presentation. These are some of the skills that we've learned already through workshops of people coming in and Zoom calling through presentations and really just understanding why it's important to have confidence. Something that I'm really looking forward to in the future is going to schools and colleges and being able to do workshops and presentations on why competitions are really important and really important for your career progression, your personal progression. I know I wouldn't be where I am today without my competition practice. So being able to go to schools and colleges and speaking to competitors or students who are just starting their careers are really important to me. And I think that this programme is the thing that will help me progress and help other people through younger years.